In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom audiences in Facebook Ads Manager, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a customer list so you can retarget existing contacts or build segments that perform better. A quick heads up, always make sure you have permission to use the customer data you're uploading and that it complies with Meta's advertising policies and local privacy laws. Start by heading to Facebook Ads Manager. You can search for it and then click Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your credentials. For security, consider enabling two-factor authentication and double-check that you're in the correct ad account before proceeding. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaign's dashboard. From here, open the Audiences section. This is where you manage saved, custom, and lookalike audiences. Click to create a custom audience. You'll see several sources. Choose Customer List. This option lets you match your contacts, such as emails or phone numbers, to people on Facebook and Instagram. Remember, don't upload sensitive information and only use data collected with proper consent. Click Next, and you'll be guided through formatting expectations. The cleaner your file, the better your match rate. Put one person per row, include clear column headers, and use common identifiers like email, phone number with country code, first and last name, city, state, postal code, and country. If you have only emails or only phone numbers, that's fine, but combining multiple identifiers often improves results. Save the file as CSV or TXT and remove extra notes, formulas, or blank columns. Now you can either upload a file or paste comma-separated values directly. Uploading a CSV is usually easier to manage and less error-prone, especially for larger lists. If you paste values, make sure the delimiters are consistent and your headers match what Ads Manager expects. After you add your data, you'll see a field mapping screen. Confirm each column is correctly recognized. Fix any unassigned fields before moving on. When everything looks good, select Import and Create. Your audience will begin populating. The status may show as processing for a bit while Meta hashes and matches your data. That's normal. Once it's ready, you can use this audience at the ad set level to retarget engaged customers, exclude existing buyers, or later create a lookalike to find more people like them. Keep your list fresh by re-uploading periodically so your targeting stays accurate. That's it. You've created a custom audience from a customer list in Ads Manager quickly and correctly.